Hi loves, how you doing? How was your day today? Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, depending on where you are, watching from. Here in my country, it is 23:57 p.m. Literally, most people have already gone to sleep, and here I'm making a video for you. So today, I'm here to let you know that I haven't thought about, I haven't forgotten about the other ways that we can make money online because literally everyone is killing it big online. And why can't we? You, my family, we need to kill it big online as well. So the question may be, how are people making money online? There are multiple ways people are making money online. Is there a certain service you're good at offering? Is there a certain product you're good at selling? You can do that. Are you good at lead generation? Are you a good business development specialist? Are you a good web developer? The different applications like Freelancer, Fiverr, Upwork, just go there, put your profile up there, and people upload you for work. That's just one of the ways. Oh, let me tell you one other one. ChatGPT, guys. People are using ChatGPT to kill it big. People are using ChatGPT to create prompts that they are selling out for money. People are using ChatGPT to create digital products like ebooks. They literally prompt it to say something like, create me an ebook that is going to help people in selling crypto. Oh, yes, they're making prompts, they're making ebooks. You can literally prompt ChatGPT and ask it, hey, can you make for me an ebook that can help people, sell crypto? What are the different chatbots that people are using to earn big in cryptocurrency, in forex trading, something like that? Any question you feel like people are out there looking for which they don't have answers for, ChatGPT is able to give you a solution that people are badly looking for, and you'll be able to convert that into an ebook or a PDF document that you can sell out for money. So what are you waiting for? You oh well, the other way is you can use Canva to make different digital products. And how do you do it? Prompt ChatGPT once again, ask it anything. Can you make for me what a breastfeeding mother should avoid doing while breastfeeding her child? How can a mother stop a child that cries so much from crying so much? Why do children cry so much? During this time, they need to tell you maybe the baby is uncomfortable. You can change the diapers. Maybe the baby is hungry. And there are very many mothers who are out there so stressed out. And they're going to be going on the internet looking for this information. Meaning, if they're going through a dilemma and they badly need that information, they're going to buy your PDF if they find it there. All you gotta do is make sure that it's not overly priced. Mm-hmm. I got you guys. I got you guys. The other people are making money is that they're selling, yes, they are selling products. They're selling different products that they know people are out there looking for. It could be a nice hair cream that someone can put in such hair, and the hair is going to get detangled. Something like that is going to be on the market real big, because you see, every time you're going to wear a hair extension like this, it's going to get entangled, and people will be looking for a certain cream that can detangle it. The thing you're going to do is look for this cream on the market and make sure that it does the work really good. Don't just do it for the sake of getting money, but make sure it actually does what it says it does. So what you're going to do is try, to use it, like you do some content or get some people to quote it for you, and then you can start selling it either on TikTok, or you can create a landing page and start selling it. Not only that, many other products that people are out there and looking for. So what are you waiting for? Get out of your comfort zone. Check out which ways people are using to earn money on the internet, and start doing the same. Start today. Within 3 years, you're going to be amazed by what you've done for yourself, what you've done for your life. You literally are going to be getting freedom for yourself. And how do you get freedom? You need money to make freedom, and you need freedom to make more money. What are you waiting for? I am looting for you. Do not at any one time fail to loot for yourself. Cheers, bye, see you next time. Because every time I'm going to be putting a video here guiding you on how to make money online. So do not miss checking on my channel. The best way for you to do that is to subscribe, hit that bell icon. So hit the bell icon so that every time I post a video, you can get notified. Do not miss on this juicy, because it's going to come in handy when you start doing this business. The reason I'm saying this is because I'm going to be doing how-to videos. Like I go to ChatGPT, I create a prompt, I insert in a prompt, and then it gives me information. I go ahead and then I use the same in Canva or Google Doc or any other platform. So I'm gonna be showing you how to do this from point zero all the way to starting making your first $100. Let's do this. Hit that bell icon. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.